Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change coolant in a Hyundai Accent. First, ensure your engine is completely cool and gather your safety gear, including gloves and eye protection. Place a drain pan under the radiator. Locate the drain plug, usually at the bottom of the radiator, and carefully open it to allow the old coolant to flow out completely. This step is crucial for a thorough coolant replacement. Once the old coolant is drained, close the drain plug. Now, fill the radiator with distilled water. Start your engine and let it run for about 10 minutes with the heater set to its highest temperature. This helps circulate the water and flush out any remaining old coolant or debris. After 10 minutes, turn off the engine and drain the water. Repeat this flushing process until the water runs clear. With the system thoroughly flushed, close the drain plug once more. Now, it's time to add your new coolant. Use the recommended coolant type for your Hyundai Accent, typically a 50/50 mixture of antifreeze and distilled water. Slowly pour the coolant into the radiator until it's full. Then, fill the overflow reservoir to the full line. This ensures proper system capacity. After refilling, start the engine with the radiator cap off. Let it run until it reaches operating temperature, allowing any trapped air to escape. You might gently squeeze the upper and lower radiator hoses to help release air bubbles. Once the thermostat opens and the fan cycles, replace the cap. Finally, take a short test drive and then recheck your coolant levels and inspect for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.